So today is the day that I finally get my hair done. Have you ever had like a really bad hair disaster? I went to this barber to get a certain style. It didn't come out right. They were supposed to texturize my hair and cut it into a really cute curly pixie. He ended up putting an actual perm on it, and it made my hair bone straight. Thankfully, I ended up going to a really good beautician who was able to take care of it so it wasn't damaged. I already have sensitive skin, so when you put that product on my scalp, it made my scalp like, it kind of jacked it up. It was like janky. And then I ended up saying, okay, how can I turn this into a positive? So I ended up going to a beautician. She was taking care of my hair and it was looking really nice. So let me tell you what I go and do. On Valentine's Day, I was like, I wanted to look cute and I really want a hair color. But what she was charging me at that time, I just did not have it. It just wasn't in the budget. And, you know, as you know, we're building Honey Queen Lemonade. So I end up doing my color at home. Like, you know, going to Target and get one of those little box colors. And I put it on my hair. And the first time I put it on, it was okay. My hair was kind of shedding, but I was like, okay, my hair is already processed. I expect a little shedding. I'm not tripping. But I ended up coloring it again because I just didn't like the color. I feel like I didn't leave it on long enough and it didn't take. So my hair is very dark. So, you know, it takes a while to lift. So I ended up dyeing it again in the same weekend. And when I tell you, ever since I've done that, my hair has been shedding. I've literally been shedding like a German Shepherd. Like, my hair has been everywhere. And I'm like, okay, you know. So at first, like I said, I was just thinking like, oh, my hair is processed. Don't worry about it. This is, you know, natural. Plus your hair, not natural, because nothing's natural about any of this shit that I'm doing to myself. But this is a part of the process. Because yes, it's a lot of processes going on. So I'm like, this is a part of the process. No problem. But like, seriously, to the point to where my dude is like, hey, babe, like, your hair is like, is that your hair on your shirt? I'm like, yeah. He's like, good. Yes. Like, what? But my hair is literally falling out. And when I tell you that, like, it's literally just falling out. So today I'm going to go to the shop. I'm going to get it done. And I'm going to just start fresh, which was the original intention. But having this over-processed hair breaking out like this, that wasn't part of the plan. The plan was to cut it, but it wasn't to have to cut it. So that was the intention. I did not know that I would end up looking like a Cynthia doll. So the reality is that luckily I know some great people. I know this amazing barber. He's going to hook me up. So I'm headed to him right now. And I'm going to go ahead and record the process because this definitely needs to be documented. What I'm going to be doing is obviously starting over from scratch and just growing my hair out from a short haircut and just wear it back natural again. And do not process it at all. No color, no heat, and any tight styles for extended periods of time. Because I want you.
You making me giggly because you talking about all this stuff.
Because, look, okay, because I don't. Because I want you. Look how I look. Okay.
We can fix this.
No. It don't look bad.
I understand what you're saying. Yeah,
Okay, so
you put too much. Did you bleach? Did you bleach?
I just bought one of those store box colors, like from Target.
Okay, we can fix this. This is not.
And see how it's just shedding?
Yeah, I see it.
So it's like I have no reason but to just cut it.
Yeah, you want to cut this. Other FYI, ladies, whenever you color your hair, you want to condition your hair first.
Did I do that?
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
I can look at it and tell you didn't. Second, you know what I'm saying?
Because you know, because they include it in the box, but they tell you to do it after.
Yeah, no. I mean, they tell you that, and that's true. But you should, before, wash it, condition it with a low acetone shampoo.
Okay.
Meaning like a Carol's Daughter or something like that, just names y'all familiar with.
Okay.
That don't got a high acetone level.
Okay.
Wash it with cold water.
Okay.
More cold than warm.
Cold water.
Condition it first.
Condition it first.
Then,
Low acetone, cold water.
Once you wash it, then once you put your color, then you condition.
You see that bald spot?
Yeah, the conditioner is going to bring the color out more, and it's going to protect your scalp and your roots from being stripped. That's why they tell you condition it. And then even once you condition it and the color sets in, condition your hair regularly because color always strips your hair.
Strips your hair, got you.
So you want to always condition your hair regularly. But also if you put in a perm in it, a texturizer, any type of chemical press you put in your hair, you want to condition your hair regularly.
Thank you so much.
Right, so that's why we tell you.
Well, let's get into this cut.
We're going to get into this cut.
And let me tell you, my hair has been itching really bad.
Condition it. You got to condition it regularly.
Condition it.
Vitamin E oil as well.
Vitamin E oil.
Get you some vitamin E oil.
Okay.
Because all that means is your scalp is dry.
Dry, okay.
And your scalp is itching.
Because I also have, background with eczema as well.
Yeah, that's all it is. When your scalp is itching.
Don't I look like Chuck? I swear I look like
Chuck.
I look like a dude named Chuck.
Oh, no.
This cut, this is a Chuck cut.
Yeah, water. Moisturizer.
Look how the hair is just falling out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it strips you pretty bad, but we're gonna bring it
See, so it was the dye that messed me up, not necessarily the perm.
Yeah, a little bit of both.
A little bit of both.
But more the dye than anything.
Yeah, because my hair was still cool after the perm.
A lot of times,
And I was like, damn, I don't want no perm.
You want to do like a henna dye. You're going to do one. I recommend using this company called Soraya. They sell it at Whole Foods. Or Soraya. I don't know how they pronounce it. Soraya. They make a pretty good henna dye. Alrighty. You gotta learn everything about hair you study it. Everything. How to save it, how to treat it, how to cut it, what type of hair. Because I probably could have just cut the dead ears for you with the shears, depending on the state of the hair. But that's the importance of having a licensed barber, y'all. Cut your hair. Because a licensed barber went to school and they can help you with restoring your hair or treating your hair.
It was broke off in like 4 different areas.
That's okay.
And I don't know what from. That's why I cut it.
Yeah, I feel you. Because you didn't know. That's why you got to go to a professional. So people wonder.
But this was when the shops closed. I couldn't go to anybody.
Wow, you know a barber. It's not as visible no more. Let's see. It's brought it down more for you so you can see. Yeah.
Is that what that was?
Look at that
You see me? I was like, what is that?
What's that? You know what that is. You know what that is.
Toenail on the rug. The hell?
Yeah. I got it. I already know that. Yeah, you see it coming. You see
It's
it
pretty.
coming.
It's, yeah.
You see it coming.
I do. You say what?
Never trust a barber without a comb. They cutting your hair and they ain't using one of these.
You out the game.
They probably a rookie. They new to the game. They ain't using one.
Got you.
Comb is essential to cutting.
But if I do it here, I can like brush my hair down and yeah, I'll do it up here then.
Okay. So that corner.
Yeah, the corner.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, wait. Are these corners supposed to match?
See, I hit you here because you were like kind of butchered on the side. So I tried.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Wow. And it's very feminine.
Yeah, that's what I said. We got you this way. Looking rough and rugged. But still looking soft and feminine.
So you say give me a sponge?
You can. You know what I'm saying? You have to get one of the small surface stuff. But it can help twist it a little bit.
No, okay.
Put the spray of conditioner.
Oh yeah, that's nice, Brother Samir.
Oh, thank you. So you just take that mirror and look at this mirror. I'm trying to look good. And look at this mirror behind you to see the back of your neck. Just so you can see the blend on the back of your neck.
Okay.
Wait. Put it high. Wait, put it that way.
Yeah.
Tilt it down. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah.
Good.
That's timeless right there.
Yeah.
Okay, come for the cute thing.